Hi, welcome to 9K Tech. Today I will compare two different smartwatches. Design, screen size, thickness, weight, height, width, type, resolution, watt-hour of depth rating, water resistant, pixel density, is dust-proof and water resistant, sweat resistance, watch band is replaceable, sensors, heart rate monitor, barometer, accelerometer, activity, tracks your sleep, tracks distance, measures pace, connectivity, Bluetooth version, has NFC, syncs wirelessly, battery, battery power, battery life, charge time, has wireless charging, has a battery level indicator, has a rechargeable battery. More. Locates your phone. Has call control. Price. Show. Thanks for watching.